Hey guys, today we're back with another weather video, and as you saw in the first clip, there was a hurricane with 985 millibars is going to hit the Florida Panhandle again. Well, the GFS model changed it, and it does not say that anymore. But instead of one hurricane, there's going to be two hurricanes. I'll show you number 1 and 2. So this is number 1. And this is number 2. And this is all going to happen May 28th. The low pressure is supposedly supposed to be Barry, and supposedly this one over there is supposed to be Chantal or Chanel. Well, I don't know if it is going to be a hurricane, and if it is, and there's another one. So hopefully everyone is safe. The last hurricane happens June 8th, 4 days after my birthday. Actually, if I remind it a little bit, June 7th. And then there's this other system. This one has 1,003 millibars. So if we check the 10-day forecast for areas in New York, Philadelphia, and Pittsburgh, and Harrisburg, basically Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Maryland, and Delaware. Tonight we have clouds early and clearing late, so that means that there's going to be some rain, 20% chance possible of rain. Friday, May 24th, 78 degrees high, 58 low. Saturday, May 25th. And that day will mark it's been a year since Tropical Storm Alberto has formed in 2018. High is 78, low is 63, so have fun on that day. Now, on Sunday, May 26th, it's expected to be 91 degrees. You guys better have fun on that day. You better go to the beach, start bathing, and have a little tan. 91 degrees and 61 at lowest. 20% chance of rain. And Monday, May 27th, 86 degrees Memorial Day and 65 low. So on Memorial Day is going to be pretty warm too. May 28th, 88 high, 70 low, 10% chance of rain. Wednesday, May 29th, 91 again. Hot outside. And 72 at low and 10% rain. Thursday, again. 87 degrees, 65 low, 10% rain. Friday, May 31st, 84 degrees, low 65 degrees, 10% chance of rain. Now, June 1st and June 2nd are pretty messy. 84 degrees at high, 65 low, 40% chance of rain. And obviously, it can be sunny and then it'll turn into scattered thunderstorms. Soon, same as June 2nd. 82 degrees, a little cooler than June 1st by 2 degrees. 65 degrees at lowest, always 65. And 40% chance of rain. Monday, June 3rd, 82 degrees at high, 65 at low, 20% chance of rain. Now, June 4th, 82 degrees at high, 65% No, 65 degrees at low, sorry, and 20% rain. Now that day is my birthday, June 4th. So excited. June 5th, 83 degrees at high, 66 at low, 20% chance of rain. Thursday, June 6th, scattered thunderstorms, 82 high, 67 low, 40% rain, and yeah. So here is the weather, also 10 days. So right now it is severe in Philadelphia, a severe rain and possible thunderstorms and tornadoes. So Thursday night, it gets less calm and foggy in Kentucky and just a lot of severe storms. As we reach into Friday, some rain in Chicago, Des Moines, Indianapolis, Louisville. And as we head into Friday night, Cleveland will get rain. Toledo, Chicago will get rain all day. And also Des Moines, Indianapolis won't get rain. Louisville won't get rain. So Saturday comes, Chicago and Des Moines still have rain. Indianapolis is close to having rain. Charleston has rain. Erie has rain. Just a lot of rain. As we head into Sunday, practically all of Pennsylvania has the whole state rained. The states that are going to have rained on is Chicago, or should I say Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Missouri, Kentucky, South, and North Carolina. Now it's just rain in Chicago. Basically, this whole month it's gonna just be raining in Chicago. Hopefully everyone's safe. But the temperatures though are really warm. Let's just jump through the temperatures. So it gets cooler and warmer each time. So sorry guys, I have to put it at portrait because I can't really operate it if it's at the other landscape. I don't know. So a lot of heavy rains, especially in this area, and possible of thunderstorms. I can hear some right now. So there is snow in May in Colorado. There is snow in May somehow in Colorado and the other colder states. And thank you guys so much for watching this weather update. I'll try to do more, but just GFS model keeps on showing me hurricanes. I'm just very interested. So hopefully you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next video. Bye!